Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to optimize this device. So let me show you how to boost system, how to clean up the EMUI system on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the phone manager right here. Here let's tap optimize. The device is optimizing itself. Tap done. You can also here choose clean up, and you can clean the system cache. So that's it. You can tap here check, or you can choose advanced storage management and tap clean. Alright, let's go back. You can also here use the virus scan if you would like to, or you can just go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.